Hey, please keep quiet and just listen to me what I did. We are doing here right shift operation. Right shift, that is 125 right shift 2. 125's binary first we are finding. Right? When we are doing 125's binary, you see that side 2, when divided it is coming 62 and a remainder is 1. 2 again divided 31, remainder is 0. 2 again remainder 15 and a remainder is 1. 2 again 7, remainder is 1. 2 again 3, remainder is 1. 2 again 1, remainder is 1. 2 0, then 0 1. So 5 ones 0 1. I am making it now 8 by adding 0 in the beginning. 8, because it is 7 digit, I am making it a 8 digit number by adding 0. Now this binary number is this. Why I have done by like this? I am thinking that it is a byte number. You know, minimum in the Java byte, minimum one is a byte. After that short, after that integer, then long. 4 types of integers are there. Silence. So now what is our question? To right shift 2 digits. Right? 2 digits will from the right side we will shift. If we shift 2 digits, then they are no longer existing. Okay, they are gone. Right? And from which side it is there, blank will be there, opposite side. Right side 2 digits are gone. So in the left side blank will be there. Okay. Where I have done this one. When the right side they have gone, in the left side we will have a blank. How many blanks? 2 blanks. These blanks will be filled with the first digit number. First digit. So these 2 blanks will be filled now with the 0. Because it was a positive number, starting digit will be 0, and if it is 0, then all the blanks will be filled with the zeros. So now our result is this number 000 1. And when I calculate, when I convert this from binary to decimal, I get this one. I get 31. Okay. So 125 right shift 2 is 31. Okay. Now let us think about do about a negative number. Okay. For negative number, I have to find out the binary. I am not giving a new number to you. I am giving the same number, that is 125. I am giving the same number minus 125. If minus 125 I am giving, then 125's binary you have to find out. Okay. 125's binary already we have found out, that is 5101. That is what I have written, 5101, and like previous I have added a 0 in the left to make it a total of 8 digits. Now I have to right shift 2 digits from the right side. So when I do so, right, when I do so, hey, listen to me. Sorry, I am wrong. Listen, I have just found out the decimal to binary, that is 05101. This is 125's binary. Now what I have to do, I have to complement the binary number. Complement means 0 will be 1, 1 will be 0, okay, like that all become opposite. So the new number is 15010. Previous number was 05101. New number is 15010. I have to add 1 with this number. So after adding 1, I am getting 15011. This is actually minus 125. So my question was minus 125, right shift 2. So I have to do operation here. So this right, from the right side I will take away. So how much is remaining? 150. In the left side, two blanks are coming. These blanks will be filled with the 1, because in this number first digit was 1. So now we have 3 ones and a 50. First one is because of the first one, it's a negative number. Because first one will be considered as minus 128, not 128. First one will be considered as minus 128. It is 2 to the power 7. Yes or no? 8 numbers mean 2 to the power 7. First one will be considered as minus 128. Second all will be positive. Second one will be considered as 2 to the power 6, that is 64. Third one 2 to the power 5, that is 32. Now no more ones we have, so we don't consider. Right? If we add minus 128 plus 64 plus 32, we get minus 32. Okay? So this is the right answer. So this one is minus 125, right shift 2 is equal to minus 32. Right? And 125, only 125 right shift 2 will be 31. Clear? You can do also left shift. I will now tell you to do left shift for 125 and also for minus 125. So let us do this. What is the number for 125? 51. If I do left shift two times, then what will go? Yes, this will be 01. 01 is in the left, so that will go. That was 125, so that one will go. So what will be remaining? Yes. How many blanks are in the right side? 2 blanks. There will be always sorry. Okay. Listen. Left shift C or left shift, it will be always 0. In the right side, those blanks will be filled with the always 0. So it is now how much it is coming? Minus 128 plus how much? 80 plus 4. What is the number? Minus 2. Minus 12. If I do with a minus 125, left shift 2. Minus 125, left shift 2. What is the minus 125's number? Last figure. 111. 5 zeros. I am taking 2. Right? 2 from the left. So 1 5 0. Always the right side is a 0. Which one you are telling? Oh, this one. Sorry. Tell. How much? 1 5 0 1 1. Okay. So how many will go from the left? 2 numbers. Now we are having 4 0 1 1 0 0. So it is 12.